Yo, what's good, Tech Squad? It's your boy Histransform back again with another fire drop. And today we're talking about something that is going to blow the roof off mobile gaming. If you're a gamer like me, you already know the struggle. You fire up your emulator, load up GTA 5, or even try God of War Ragnarok, and within 20 minutes, your phone's hotter than a frying pan. But buckle up because Nubia just announced the redmagic 11 Pro, and this thing is looking like the gaming phone of the year. Circle the date, October 17th, that's when this beast officially lands, and the specs are insane. We're talking Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a massive 8,000 mAh battery, and a cooling system so advanced it sounds like they've ripped it out of a Formula One car. Plus, you're getting under-display cameras, built-in fans, and even IP68 toughness. This isn't just a phone, it's a portable gaming rig in your pocket. Stick with me because I'm gonna break it all down like I've already got the device in hand. And if you're hyped for this launch, smash that like button, drop a sub for the full hands-on review, and let's get straight into it. So let's start with the brain of the beast, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip is Qualcomm's newest flagship, and it's no joke. You're looking at 20% faster CPU performance, 35% better energy efficiency, and even the power draw has been shaved down by 16%. Pair that up with LPDDR5Tx RAM up to 16 gigabytes and blazing UFS 4.1 storage, and you've got yourself a phone that laughs in the face of stutter. Imagine running emulators for GTA 5, God of War Ragnarok, or even Witcher 3 on Android, smooth at high frames, no frame drops, no lag spikes mid-boss fight. That's what we're talking about here. Early Geekbench leaks put this thing at 3,309 single-core and 10,742 multi-core, which is already insane. Now, yeah, it's a little behind the Honor Magic 8, which hit around 3,700 single and 11,470 multi-core, but here's the kicker. Those are early benchmark numbers on test devices. Real-world performance, especially for emulation, is what counts, and that's where this chip really shines. Here's the big thing, guys, emulation. If you're like me and you're running Winlator or PC and console emulators, you know how brutal those can be on your phone. We're talking about games like Mortal Kombat 11, Mortal Kombat 1, and of course Nintendo Switch titles. The redmagic 11 Pro is packing the raw horsepower to deliver rock-solid performance across the board. For the first time, I'm genuinely confident we're going to see smooth Switch emulation on Android without your phone screaming for mercy. And Nubia didn't just stop at putting in a powerful chip. They've got that 23,000 RPM fan inside, which is waterproof by the way, plus water cooling pipes, a massive vapor chamber, and even liquid metal 2.0 to pull away every last degree of heat. Basically, your phone stays cool while you're maxing out those AAA games. Now let's talk battery. This is where Nubia flexes on the competition. The redmagic 11 Pro has a monstrous 8,000 mAh battery. That's a full 1,000 mAh upgrade over the last generation, the 10 Pro. What does that mean in the real world? You're looking at 10 hours of solid mixed gaming and streaming, maybe even more if you're running balanced settings. And don't worry about waiting forever to a charge. We're expecting 80-watt fast charging or higher, so you'll be able to juice up in under 40 minutes. Plus, Nubia is adding charge separation tech, which means you can play while plugged in without cooking your battery. That's a big deal if you're the kind of gamer who spends entire nights grinding. Big battery and high performance usually means one thing: heat. Except not this time. With that fan spinning at 23,000 RPM, combined with advanced water cooling, liquid metal in a vapor chamber, this phone doesn't just resist overheating, it practically dares you to push it harder. And the cherry on top? The redmagic 11 Pro is IP68 rated. That means it's resistant to dust, dirt, and even water. So whether you're gaming at home, on the bus, or accidentally dropping it in a puddle, you're covered. Throttling is no longer a problem. The chip runs at full power, the cooling system keeps it chilled, and you're free to go all in on your games. The screen here is another win. You're getting a 6.85-inch flat AMOLED panel, 1.5K resolution, and a blazing 144 Hz refresh rate. Brightness maxes out at around 2,000 nits, which means even under direct sunlight, your display isn't going to wash out. Bezels are super thin, giving you that all-screen experience, perfect for immersion. For selfies and streaming, Nubia is bringing in a 50-megapixel under-display camera. No notch, no hole punch, just clean, full-screen gameplay. Add a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for fast unlocks, and the setup is looking slick. And let's not forget the gamer must-haves: 520Hz shoulder triggers, ultra-low latency touch response, and customizable RGB lighting that reacts to your gameplay. That's not just cosmetic, it's a whole vibe while you're fragging your enemies. Now, no one's buying a redmagic for photography, but Nubia still packs a respectable triple lens system with the 50-megapixel main camera with OIS plus ultra-wide and macro lenses. Not pro level like a Samsung Ultra, but good enough to snap your wins, post your setups, or stream with clarity. Software-wise, we're getting redmagic OS 11 running on Android 15. Expect loads of gaming optimizations, game space tweaks, AI boosts through Google Gemini, and customizations like syncing your RGB zones to your gameplay. So there it is, the full picture. The redmagic 11 Pro is dropping on October 17th, and it's looking like one of the most complete gaming phones ever built. You've got the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, rock-solid emulation performance, a massive 8,000 mAh battery, next-level cooling, and gamer-first extras like shoulder triggers and under-display cameras. Sure, benchmarks might not completely crush the Honor Magic 8 yet, but in terms of practical gaming and emulation, this device is locked and loaded. If you're serious about mobile gaming, especially if you want to emulate PC or console titles on the go, this phone might just be your new best squad mate. So what do you guys think? Is the redmagic 11 Pro a must-buy for gamers, or are you holding out for something else? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, smash like if you're as hyped as I am, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell so you don't miss my hands-on review as soon as this monster drops. Peace out, level up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Game on!